Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 8.2 of chapter 8 comparing quantities. We have already done exercise 8.1. Please check link above. Fine. So, we will take all the questions of this exercise. So, before starting, one more thing. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. The first question is, a man got a 10% increase in salary. एक आदमी है, उसकी सैलरी 10% इंक्रीज हो गई है और इंक्रीज करने के बाद हिज न्यू सैलरी इज 1,54,000. फाइंड हिज ओरिजिनल सैलरी. पहले उसकी सैलरी कितनी थी? सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, एज ऑलवेज, राइट डाउन whatsoever is given to you in the question. So increased salary is rupees 1,54,000. परसेंटेज इंक्रीज इज 10%. अब हम मान लेते हैं लेट द ओरिजिनल सैलरी इज इक्वल टू रुपीज एक्स. नाउ दिस एक्स हैज बीन इंक्रीज्ड बाय 10%. सो इंक्रीज in salary will be 10% of original. It will be 10 upon 100 multiplied by original. Original कितनी थी? X. Fine. So reduce it. So it will be X upon 10. Original salary में 10% ऐड हो गया. ये हमारी इंक्रीज सैलरी है और ये हमें कितनी दी हुई है? 1,54,000. सो इसका एलसीएम लेंगे हम 10. So it will be 10x plus x. Fine. So it will be 10 plus 1 will be 11x upon 10 and it is 1,54,000. Fine. So from here we will calculate the value of x will be 1,54,000 multiplied by this will be reversed. So it will be 10 by 11. इसको आप reduce करेंगे. So it will be 11 1 जा 11. 11 1 जा 11, 11 4 जा 44 and 0 0 0. So x will be 14. ये 1000 हमने लिख दिया. Then one more 0. So it will be 1,40,000 rupees. So original salary was rupees 1,40,000. So now the next question, second question. On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went to the zoo. Now, what is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? We have to find out the percentage decrease. Fine. So first we will write what is given. So number of people visited on Sunday is 845 and number of people visited on Monday is 169. Percentage decrease के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Original value minus final value divided by original value multiplied by 100. So this is the formula. We'll put the values. Original value, what was that? 845 minus 169 divided by 845 multiplied by 100. We have to solve it. So let's do it. So if you subtract that, we will get 676 divided by 845 multiplied by 100. We have to reduce it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30 and 9 ja, here it will be 2, then it will go by 13 and here we will get, if you cut this, we will get 52, 13 1 ja 13, 13 4 ja, so it will be 4 2 ja 80%. So 80% reduction or decrease in the visit of the people on Monday. Now the third question. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So एक shopkeeper ने 80 articles 80 सामान को खरीदा कितने में? 2,400 रुपीज़ में. अब उसने इसको सेल किया 16% प्रॉफिट पर और हमें क्या निकालना है, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ वन आर्टिकल. सो लेट्स राइट व्हाट इज गिवन. नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स कितने बाय किए हैं, 80. CP ऑफ आर्टिकल्स, CP कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 2400, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज 16%. SP हमें पता नहीं है, हमें निकालना है. So the formula for SP will be 1 plus profit percentage upon 100 multiplied by CP. So we will find out the value of SP from it. So it will be 1 plus 16 upon 100 multiplied by 2400. This is your CP. Fine. So you will have to, you can reduce it. Without reducing it also you can solve it, like 100 plus 16 when you will take the LCM of it. So it will be 2400. So it will be 116 upon 100 multiplied by 2400. You will reduce it, and the final answer, if you multiply 116 by 24, what you will get in this, it will be 2784 rupees, 2784. So this is the selling price of all the articles, but we have to find out the selling price of one article. That will be total selling price, which is 2784 divided by number of articles. Fine. So you will have to reduce it. After reducing it, we will get rupees 34.80. That will be your answer, which is the selling price of one article. Fine. Now let's see the next question. Question number 4. In this, the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 was spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of article. So इसमें हमें क्या है, कोई आर्टिकल जो है, कोई सामान वो 15,500 में हमने परचेज किया. सो दैट मीन्स CP ऑफ एन आर्टिकल इज 15,500. रिपेयर्स पे वो ख़राब था कुछ, उसको रिपेयर करवाना पड़ा हमें. सो रिपेयर पे हमने 150 रुपीज़ उसके स्पेंड किए. सो टोटल CP विल बी 15,500 प्लस 450. कोई ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पे खर्चा होता है या रिपेयर पे खर्चा होता है, वो सब जो है हमारे कॉस्ट प्राइस को इंक्रीज करते हैं. सो इट विल बी 950. दैट इज योर टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस. प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज हमें कितना दिया हुआ है, 15% profit is being given to us. Fine. So now we have to find out the value of selling price. So selling price के लिए formula already know, we have done in the last question also. Upon 100 multiplied by CP. So 1 plus 15 upon 100 multiplied by 15,950. Fine. So you will have to reduce it. 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. So it will be 20 plus 3 upon 20 when you take the LCM multiplied by 15,950. Fine. So it will be, how much it will be, 23 upon 20 multiplied by 1,950, as we have got the profit. So we'll reduce it. 18,000 rupees, 18,342.50. Fine. So that will be your final answer. Now let's see the next question. Question number 5. A VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. TV और VCR की जो प्राइस है वो सेम है, CP सेम है 8,000. द शॉपकीपर मेड अ लॉस ऑफ 4% ऑन VCR. VCR पर उसे लॉस हुआ 4% का और TV पर उसे प्रॉफिट हुआ 8% का. फाइंड द गेन और लॉस परसेंट ऑन द whole transaction. So this is our question. So let's see how we are going to solve it. So first we will write what is given. CP is equal to 8,000 for each item. This is loss percentage on VCR is 4% and profit percentage on TV is 8%. So you know that gain और loss percent निकालने के लिए हमें CP की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और SP, यहाँ सेलिंग प्राइस की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी हमें उसके लिए, लेकिन वी आर नॉट गिवन विद सेलिंग प्राइस. सो विल हैव टू कैलकुलेट दैट. नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ VCR. फाइन. तो VCR पे तो हमें लॉस हुआ है, तो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ VCR will be equal to 1 minus loss percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. Fine. So let's put the values. 1 minus 4 upon 100 multiplied by CP is 8000. Fine. So it will be 1 minus, आप इसको reduce कर सकते हो, it will be 25. So it will be 25 minus 1 upon 25 after taking the LCM multiplied by 8000. So it is 24 upon 25 multiplied by 8000. Now you can reduce it. After reducing 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 6 ja, then 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 320. Fine. So finally you will get the SP as 7680 by multiplying 24 by 32. So this is the SP of VCR. Now we will calculate the SP of TV, selling price of TV, क्योंकि हमें overall deal के लिए find out करना है. So that will be, you already know, 1 plus profit percentage upon 100 multiplied by CP. Fine. So it will be, आप इसको reduce कर सकते हो, 4 2 जा 8 and 25. So it will be 25 plus 2 upon 25 multiplied by 8000. That means 27 upon 25 multiplied by 8000. Reduce करोगे तो same वही आएगा. ठीक है. So it will be 320, and if you will multiply you will get rupees 8640. So एक जो VCR उसने सेल किया उस पर उसको लॉस हुआ था, and here he has another selling price. You can check here, he has got the profit. Fine. These are the two. One was this and another is this. Fine. So we will have to find out now the total selling price. So total SP will be addition of both of them, 7680 plus 8640. दोनों को जब ऐड करोगे आप इसको, you will get rupees 16,320. Fine. And total CP, cost price, total CP कितनी होगी? 8000 each था, तो 8000 plus 8000 which is 16,000 rupees. So now you can find out. अब देखो, SP is bigger than CP, so that means it will be a profit. How much profit is there? How much profit they have earned? Yes, how much profit? That is SP minus CP, which is equal to 16,320 minus 16,000, which is rupees 320. 320 rupees उसको मिले हैं. Now if they have asked about only profit, but then this is the answer. But they have asked about profit percentage. Fine. So profit percentage क्या होता है? Profit divided by CP multiplied by 100. Fine. So it will be 320 divided by CP is total CP and multiplied by 100. Reduce it. Third 0. 16 1 ja 16. 16 2 ja. So fine. So the profit percentage is 2%. That is your answer. 2% का total deal पर उसे profit हुआ है. Now let's see the next question from exercise 8.2. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the market prices of all items. जितनी भी items उसके पास थी सब पर उसने 10% का discount दिया. What would the customer have to pay for a pair of jeans at rupees 1450? उसकी MRP थी, and 2 shirts marked at rupees 850 each. Fine. So we'll have to find out कि कितना 10% डिस्काउंट होने के बाद कितना उसको शॉपकीपर को देना पड़ा. Now discount is 10%. MRP of jeans 1450 and MRP of shirt is this. Now let's find out discount amount on jeans. जीन्स पर उसको कितना डिस्काउंट था? 10% ऑफ MRP. फाइन, सो इट विल बी 10/100 ऑफ MRP is 1450. So it is rupees 145. Now discount on, we'll have to find the discount amount on shirt, that is again 10% of MRP. Fine, so it is rupees 85. 85 उसके एक शर्ट पर कम हो जाएंगे and 145 will be reduced on a jeans. Now selling price or final price of jeans will be 1450 minus 145. इसको आप माइनस करोगे, what you will get? Rupees 1305. Now selling price of shirt will be equal to 850 minus 85. 85 आप इसमें से reduce करोगे, so what you will get? Minus 85, that is 765 rupees. 765. So selling price of 2 shirts, he has sold 2 shirts and a jeans. What it will be? 2 multiplied by 765 plus 1305. Fine. So इसको आप solve करोगे, so you will get 2835 rupees. Fine. So this is the amount which have to be paid for these items. Now question number 7. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one he made a gain of 5% and on another a loss of 10%. Find the overall gain or loss. इसमें हमें overall gain और loss बताना है, ना कि percentage. Please keep it in your mind. So first we will write what is given. Selling price of buffaloes, they have given us rupees 20,000 each. Fine. Gain percentage on one is 5% and loss percentage is 10%. Fine. So what is missing here is CP. We don't know what is the CP. We will use again the same formula. Selling price is equal to 1 plus profit percentage upon 100 multiplied by CP. और अगर यहाँ पर loss percent होता है तो यहाँ minus आ जाता है, बस इतना फ़र्क है. There is no other difference. Fine. So we will find out for first buffalo. For first buffalo we will find out. So it will be 20,000 is equal to 1 plus 5 upon 100 multiplied by CP. CP we have to find out. Fine. So it will be 20,000 is equal to, reduce it, it will be 20. So it will be 20 plus 1 upon 20 multiplied by CP. Fine. Or we can say it will be 21 upon 20 multiplied by CP. So from here you can find out the CP, which is 20,000 multiplied by 20 upon 21. Fine. It will be reverse. When it will go other side, you will multiply these two and divide by 21. Then you will get rupees 19,047.60. Fine. Now this was for the first buffalo. Now for second buffalo, we will calculate. So it will be again 20,000 is equal to, loss percentage है तो यहाँ minus आ जाएगा, 10 upon 100 loss percentage upon 100 into CP, reduce. So it will be 20,000 is equal to 10 LCM. So it will be 10 minus 1 multiplied by Cp. So it is again 9 upon 10 multiplied by Cp. So what will be Cp here? 20,000 multiplied by, this will be reverse, so it will be 10 upon 9. When you will reduce it and find out the final value, so final value will be 22,222.22 rupees. Fine. So we have got CPs and we have got both the SPs. So we'll find out the total cost price will be equal to, first one, this is our first cost price and this one is our second cost price. So it is 19047.60 plus 22,222, इन दोनों को जब ऐड करोगे what you will get 41,269.82. These are the rupees. Now total SP will be 20,000 plus 20,000, which is 40,000. Fine. So this is cost price. Cost price was something 41,000 and selling price is 40,000. So it will be a loss or gain. Here the cost price is more. Yes, it will be a loss. They have faced a loss. So overall loss will be equal to 41,269.82 minus 40,000. इसको माइनस करेंगे तो what you will get 1269.82 rupees. That is the final loss on both the transactions. Okay, now the question number 8. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sale tax charged on it is at a rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Now they have given us the cost price of TV, which is 13,000 and tax. You already know the tax is always plus. जैसे repairs या transportation charges जो हैं वो plus होते हैं, ऐसे ही tax भी आपका plus होता है. So tax amount is always going to be calculated on cost price only. So it will be 12% of CP. So let's find out. 12% is 12 upon 100 of CP 13,000. So what will be your value? It will be rupees 1,560. Fine. So total price that he will have to pay will be 13,000 plus 1,560. दोनों को add करोगे, what you will get 14,560 will be your final answer. This is the price that he will have to pay if he want to buy the TV. Fine. Okay, now the next question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount was given 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the market price. So what is given in this? Discount आपको दिया हुआ है, जितना उसने पे किया that is also given. You already know that MRP में से डिस्काउंट जो है वो माइनस होता है हमेशा, ठीक है ना, डिस्काउंट कम हो जाते हैं आपके पैसे. फाइन. सो लेट द MRP इज X. आपका जो डिस्काउंट है वो हमेशा MRP पर ही कैलकुलेट होता है. सो दैट विल बी 20% ऑफ MRP. MRP is X. So it will be 20 upon 100 multiplied by X. Reduce 1 by 5. So it is X upon 5. इतने रुपीज़ का उसे डिस्काउंट मिला. सो अमाउंट पेड कितना हो जाएगा? X MRP थी, उसमें से डिस्काउंट जो था वो कम हो गया और कितना पे किया था उसने? 1600. बस इसको सॉल्व करोगे, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू. सो 5 इज आर LCM. 5x minus x equal to 1600. It will be 4x. 4x upon 5. 4x upon 5 is equal to 1600. And x will be equal to 1600 multiplied by 5 upon 4. ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा. So the value of X or MRP is equal to X equal to rupees 2000. 2000 was the MRP, जिसमें से 20% का डिस्काउंट होने के बाद उसने 1600 अरुण ने पे किए. Okay, let's see the next question. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before the VAT was added. So, price paid is 5400, VAT is 8% and let the price is rupees X. Now, VAT amount will be 8% of X. So, it will be 8 upon 100 multiplied by X. Reduce karenge, we will get 2X upon 25. Fine. So, this is your VAT amount. So, price paid will be equal to your price plus tax, which is VAT here, and how much is the price which is given to us is this. Just solve it and you will get the answer. So, it will be 25x plus 2x upon 25. When you take the LCM will be 25 only. So, it will be 27 upon 25x equal to 5400 and x will be equal to 5400 multiplied by 25 divided by 27. 9 3 ja 27, 6 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 200. So, x is 5000 rupees 5000. So, that is the initial price. Fine. So, price has come out to be 5000 in this case. Now, the next question, question number 11. An article was purchased for rupees 1239 including GST of 18%. GST laga hai, tax laga hai, GST is a tax of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. So, in this they have given us the amount paid is rupees 1239. GST is 18%. हमने मान लिया है initial price है X. Fine. So, GST हमेशा initial price पर लगता है. So, it will be 18% of X initial price. So, 18 upon 100 multiplied by X will be the value of your GST. 2 9 ja and 50 here. So, it will be 9x upon 50. Fine. So, the price paid or the amount paid is X, the initial price, plus GST 9x upon 50 and they have given this 1239. So, take the LCM 50, it will be 50x plus 9x which is equal to 1239. Then it is 59x upon 50 is equal to 1239 and x will be equal to 1239 multiplied by 50 divided by 59. Fine. So, you will have to reduce it. 59 1 ja 59, 2 ja 1. Okay. So, this is how it will be reduced. So, x will come out to be 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 rupees 1050. Fine. So, this is the initial price. That means price without tax. That's the final answer of this question.